Bay leaf is an aromatic leaf from the evergreen bay laurel tree, native to the Mediterranean. It is most widely used in cooking and perfume preparation. The bay leaf is basically three veined leaves, which are elliptical, pointed, smooth and tough. The leaves are pungent, and have a sharp, bitter taste. Their taste and fragrance are somewhat similar to cinnamon bark but slightly milder. They are used in fresh, dried, or powdered form. The oil extracted from bay leaves, called bay leaf oil, has medicinal properties, and is used to treat certain ailments. Due to their bitter taste, bay leaves cannot be eaten directly, but are often used to impart flavor to a variety of dishes, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Apart from their culinary properties, they have medicinal properties, and are known for their antibacterial, anti-fungal, anti-inflammatory, diuretic, and astringent properties. Health benefits of bay leaves. With the wide range of benefits that these powerful leaves offer, it is a mandate to include them in your diet, so let us explore them in detail. Diabetes treatment. Bay leaves have been found to be effective in treating type 2 diabetes, as they cause a reduction in blood sugar, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. To get maximum results, the leaves can be powdered and consumed within 30 days. This will cause a decrease in sugar levels in the body, as well as regulate the functioning of your heart. This is because the antioxidants in bay leaf enable the body to process insulin more efficiently, thus making it a great choice for diabetics and people with insulin resistance. Good for digestion. Bay leaves are good for promoting digestion and can treat digestive disorders such as heartburn and flatulence. Flatulence occurs when gas builds up in the digestive system. Drinking a concoction of bay leaf tea with hot water can alleviate common digestive disorders, such as constipation, acid reflux, and irregular bowel movements. It contains enzymes that enable the breakdown of proteins, thus making it a great spice for non-vegetarian diets. In case of indigestion and bloating, you can take 5 grams of laurel leaves, add a piece of ginger, and boil it in 200 ml of water until 1/4 of water remains. Add some honey and consume it twice a day for relief. It also acts as an appetite stimulant, if you are recovering from illness. Cardiovascular benefits. The main advantage of drinking bay leaf tea on a daily basis is that it is beneficial for your heart. This is due to the potent mixture of potassium, antioxidants, and iron it contains. Potassium is essential for heart health, since it aids in cardiac rhythm and blood pressure regulation. The powerful phytonutrients in bay leaf provide protection against cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attack and stroke. Phytonutrients in bay leaf boost heart health and improve heart function. Caffeic acid and rutin, 2 essential chemicals present in bay leaves, are both beneficial to our cardiovascular health. Caffeic acid can aid to remove HDL, or bad cholesterol, from the cardiovascular system, while rutin strengthens capillary walls in the heart and extremities. Treatment of colds and infections. Bay leaves are effective in fighting the symptoms of colds, flu, and infections. In case of breathing problems, boil water and add 2 to 3 bay leaves. Allow it to steam for 10 minutes. Soak a cloth in this water and place it on your chest to alleviate flu, cold, and cough. Bay leaf tea is effective in reducing fever. In case of repeated sneezing, boil a few bay leaves in 200 ml of water until 1/4 remains. Strain and drink this mixture. Bay leaf essential oil may be extracted and blended into an ointment that may be administered to the chest to aid with a variety of respiratory issues. A poultice composed of the leaves can also be used to achieve this. Spread it out on your chest and let it there overnight. Inhaling the vapors has an aromatherapy-like effect, loosening phlegm and removing harmful microorganisms. Relieves pain. The oil extracted from bay leaf has anti-inflammatory properties that can ease the pain resulting from sprains, strains, rheumatism, as well as general aches and pains. Massaging your temples with bay leaf oil helps to relieve migraines and headaches. It also boosts circulation and promotes a sense of well-being. In case of joint pain, you can make a poultice of ground bay leaves and castor leaves. and tie it around the inflamed joints to reduce pain and inflammation. In case of headache, you can boil a few bay leaves in water for a few minutes. Strain and drink this concoction while it is still hot. You can apply a paste of laurel leaves on your forehead to get relief from severe headaches. Anti-cancer properties. Bay leaves contain caffeic acid, quercetin, eugenol, and catechins. All possess chemoprotective properties which provide resistance against various types of cancer. They also contain a phytonutrient called parthenolide, which has been shown to specifically prevent the proliferation of cervical cancer cells. Head lice treatment. For getting rid of head lice, boil about 50 grams of crushed bay leaves in 400 milliliters of water until 100 milliliters of water remains. Strain out of the water and apply it to the hair roots. Leave it for 3 to 4 hours and wash off. This will remove the lice effectively. Adding bringraj to bay leaves before boiling will make your hair black, shiny, and healthy. Hair treatments. Soak bay leaves in water, and then apply them on your scalp after shampoo, to boost the condition of your hair follicles, and remove dandruff. They can aid to eradicate dry skin and dandruff because of the chemicals and volatile substances in them. Anxiety and stress reduction. Linalool is commonly linked with thyme and basil, but it's also found in bay leaves, and can help reduce stress hormone levels in the body, particularly when used in aromatherapy. Excess stress hormones can be harmful to your long-term health, so bay leaves can help you relax and quiet down even when you're feeling anxious. Reminder: bay leaf is a generic phrase that refers to a variety of plants found all over the world. But, in order to attain the full range of health advantages, you must obtain a real bay leaf originating from the laurel tree. Other types can be poisonous if swallowed, so be sure you're receiving the real kind. Bay leaves are not typically recognized as an allergic leaf. However, contact dermatitis and eczema outbreaks have been recorded on occasion. If you're allergic to other Lawrence family members, you're probably allergic to bay leaves as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for a video like this, look no further. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.